Okay. Okay. Where are we now? We completed limit class. We completed order by and limit. We completed operators also, such as arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational operators, between, in, and like operators, etc. So, so we can understand from order by statement that is, it is it is used to arrange the values based on column either in ascending ascending or descending order. So this is the things what we are discussed in previous class. Now let's discuss about the concept of functions in SQL. Functions in SQL. Just give functions, that is enough. So what is the general meaning of function? Similar to Python, Java, C, C++, we have seen the concept of functions. What is the concept of function? What is function? First of all, for example, for example, this is a sugarcane machine. For example, this is a sugarcane machine. This is sugarcane machine. Now I want to get sugarcane juice. I want to get sugarcane juice. So I will give one stick, sugarcane stick. So are we give? I want next juice also. I mean, I want another juice also. Are you going to buy another sugarcane machine? No, right? For this same sugarcane machine, you are giving multiple sugarcane sticks to get the sugarcane juice. In similar way, function is a block of code which can be reusable, or it will give some output for a given set of parameters. It will give some output for a given set of parameters. So, so I can call this sugarcane machine as a function. I can call this sugarcane machine as a function simply in real world way. So what I mean to say is, at first time we want sugarcane juice from sugarcane machine. We will give one sugarcane stick and we'll get the sugarcane juice. In similar way, I want another juice from sugarcane machine. I will not give again another sugarcane stick. I will simply I'm not going to buy another sugarcane machine. I will give the same sugarcane stick to the same sugarcane machine. I will different stick to the sugarcane machine. So that means we are reusing the sugarcane machine. Okay, it is we are giving some sugarcane sticks. It is producing some sugarcane juice. So this is the concept of functions. So I can write what will be definition of functions as like this. For example, function, it is a simply it is a block of code where we can reuse, where we can reuse and we will pass we will pass some parameters. We will some pass some parameters, pass some parameters to get the output, to get the desired result. Okay, this is the concept of functions, which is similar to sugarcane juice. I mean, indeed, we can use anything, but for the easy purpose, I explain this. So this is the main thing. Now let's discuss about types of functions in SQL. So first type of functions are string functions. These are user defined. These are predefined functions only, and math functions and math functions, string functions, math functions, aggregate functions, aggregate functions. Okay, aggregate functions, math functions, string functions, date time functions, date time functions. Let's discuss about string functions. Let's discuss about string functions. What is the string? First of all, what is the string? Like I can define string is a collection of characters. I can define string as a collection of characters. Let's discuss the different types of string functions. Mm, yeah, length function. It is used to find the it is used to find the length of the given string. Length function is used to find the length of the given string. So let's execute practically instead of discussing at theory level. Yeah, this is my SQL workbench. Now let's go to wow. Now let's use the database. No need to use the database because string is not deal with tables, right? Okay, let's see. I mean, we are using it instead. Suppose use text. Now let's use length function in the strings. So that is length function is used to find the length of the string. For example, select length of length of hello. Select length of hello as length. Let's give alias. Yes. What is the length of the string? 5. So length function is used to calculate the length of the string. For example, select L trim. Okay. Yeah. For example, there is a space, Tronics, Technologies, L trim. What is the purpose of L trim? L stands for left. Trim means for cutting. We are going to cut the left side string. We are going to cut the left side of this string. I mean, it will remove the white spaces. It will remove the white spaces at the beginning of this string. Let's try. Let's try. Yes, C. So it removed. Initially, it has spaces before Tronics technologies, but there is no space. Now it is Tronics technologies. Now similar way, for example, select R trim of, let's give space at last now. Now R trim is going to remove the spaces at the right of the string. So I can simply specify like this. In similar way, I want to reverse this string. I want to reverse this string. So reverse of Ranix, reverse of Ranix. So what is its reverse? Yes, it is reversed. So there is a purpose of reverse function. For example, let's see. I want to replace. For example, there is a word hello world. There is a word hello world. In the place of world, I want to replace with Tranix. I want to replace with Tranix. So what will be the output? Exactly. So that means it is the original string. In the place of world, I am replacing the keyword Tranix. So it will be hello Tranix. Simply Tranix replacing this world keyword. So answer is hello Tranix. Answer is hello Tranix. So these are the different string functions. So let's discuss some more L trim, R trim. In similar way, trim also there. Trim is used to remove white spaces at the starting and ending of the string. Yes, yes, it is going to remove the white spaces at the beginning and similarly at the end of the string. This is the purpose of trim function. So we discuss length, trim, reverse, replace. So let's discuss some more. For example, let's see this left off, hello world, keep 5. Suppose. So what does it indicate? Yes. So left of 5. 5 indicates left side length. We are displaying the left side length, that is 5 characters hello from the left side. Okay, let's keep -1. What may be the answer? Okay, after this. So this is not correct convention. I will explain this. No need to worry. Just remove this. Now I want to display write 6 characters of hello world. I want to display write 6 characters of hello world. So that is write of, yes, the answer is 1. Hello world of 6. So this is the major answer. For example, select substring function. I want to get the substring from original string. For example, there is say take hello world. Okay, take hello world. Let's see. Now give the starting letter of I mean starting number from which you want to access. For example, let's take hello world. Let's say one base indexing. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want to get this string from 2 to 6. That is starting index. So it is a one base index. Starting index is 2 and ending index is 6. I want to get this string, that is hello space W. What is the length? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 including space. So the length of this string is 6 characters. Now let's replace the original string and my starting index is 2 and length is 6. The substring I am fetching is length is 6. Exactly. So it is fetching the records from this he to W, fetching the records from E to W. So this is the purpose of substring function. This is the purpose of substring function. Let's see different variations. Suppose keep minus one, what will be the answer? Oh, let's keep length 6. Suppose. Okay, let's see this. Now here one thing we have to discuss with we are going to. So we discuss concatenate function. Select concat. Okay. So it is used to add the strings. For example, there is hello world, hello and world. Okay. I want to add these both strings. Yes, the resultant string is hello world. I can place anything in middle also. For example, Halotronics. I'm spacing the and also I'm giving the some space. Also I'm giving the space. So I'm giving the space. Yes, let's run this. Yes. So I'm adding the records. I'm adding the records. So these are the different string functions in SQL. There are different string functions in SQL. So similar way, they discovered math functions. So what are the math functions? Okay, what are the math functions? The different math functions. For example, select. I want to power. I want to find power of two. Raise it to the power three. That is two cube. So answer is 8. Because this is a base, 3 is a power. 2 cube is 3. And similarly, I want to find the square root. I want to find the square root of 25. What is the square root of 25? That is 5. Exactly. That is 5. Now, I want to find the square root of, I want to find the, okay, you can find anything in the square root, you will get answer. So I want to find the logarithm of base 1 power 1. So answer is 0. It is okay. This is fine now. So logarithm. So that is null. For example, let's select log of 2 comma 2. So what if the base and powers are equal? Yes, the answer is 1. Okay. Let's select logarithm of base 10 of 5. So these are the logarithm function. Okay. Similar way, I want to find the floor. So what is a floor? For example, this is a number. So highest integer than this number and lowest integer than this number. We call this number as a C. This is a seal and this is a floor. Bottom one is floor, top one is seal. Simple. For example, this is 3.5. The respective floor value for 3.5 is 3 because before 3.5, what is the least integer? It will return integer. Before 3.5, answer is 3. What is the integer after 3.5? That is 4. That is 4. So this is the seal function. Simply, seal function refers to the integer after a decimal point. Nothing but it returns integer. It will returns the integer after a given number. Where floor refers to the previous number before the given number. This is the seal function. This is the seal function, and this is the floor function. For example, let's select a floor of 4.5. What is the floor meaning? Floor returns 4 only because the integer before 4.5 or less than 4.5 is 4 only. Simply, what is the purpose of seal? Seal refers to 6.7. Seal refers to the highest integer or next integer after given decimal point. That is seal of 6.7 is answer is 7. Okay. So these are the math functions. For example, there is select a round. Okay, a round. What is the purpose of round? It will truncate or it will remove the decimal places. For example, let's take 456 comma 2. Let's see what is the purpose of round. So what doing here? Round of 2. 2 means I want only two numbers or up to two places. I want up to two places after a given decimal point. And for example, select a round of 3.66, 3.444 comma 2. It will remove it will remove last one and just keep 2. This is the round function. This is the round function. So we can say that what round functions doing. So that is what round function does. What round function do. Let's take if we are removing the or if we are placing the decimal points. So if we are removing the number, if we are removing the number, if it is, if it is greater than 5, it will increases before number by 1. Let's take suppose that is 4.567. Suppose let's take 4.567. I want to place this up to two decimal places. Which number I have to remove? I have to remove 7. So that it will be 4.56, which is equal to two decimal places. Okay. So what it will do is I'm removing the number 7. If I removing the number 7, which is greater than 5, I want to add before 6, that is 4.57. So the answer is it will be added. That means 4.56567. It will be 4.56. 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 So this is the main. And if the number is below 5 or equal to 5, it will just remove and keep the number. For example, let's keep select round off 4.444 comma 2. Yes, the answer is 4.44. Let's suppose select round off 4.55 comma 2. It's just sorry. Let's keep another 5. Exactly. So it will increasing if the number is, if my remaining number is 5 or more than 5. Okay, is greater than or equal to 5. I can simply keep like this. This is the purpose of these are different math functions in SQL. So similarly truncate. So truncate is simple. It will just remove the numbers. So truncate of 3.456. I want to adjust it up to two decimal places. Just keep this and run the code. Answer 3.44. It will just remove. For example, select truncate of 4.567 comma 2. It will just remove. So this is the answer. So this is the answer. These are the math functions in SQL. These are the math functions. Now let's discuss date time functions. We will discuss aggregate functions later. Let's discuss date time functions. So date time. For example, I want to fetch the dates. For example, let's give on current timestamp. Yes. So what is the meaning of current timestamp? So it will fetching the today dates. Today's date is 2024 July 8th, and now the time is 8:44 seconds. So current timestamp fetches the time. Timestamp fetches the time. Okay. For example, I want to fetch the date from this current timestamp. So date of current timestamp. It will fetches the dates only. I want to fetch only time. Select time, current, which is only time. Yes, it will fetches only time. That is date, time. Now I want to fetches day only. I want to fetches the day. Let's see, it will possible or not. Is it possible or not? Current time stop. Yes, it will fetches the date number is 8. I want to fetches time. What is the hour? I want to fetches the hour. Simply current. Exactly. The time is 8 o'clock. It will represent the same. So these are the also for example, you can also give our custom cases. For example, I want to select the dates. I want to select the date in this year, date and time format. For example, 2023, ninth month, ninth date, and respective 12:49 seconds. I want to fetch the date from this. Yes, the date is 2023. And similarly, I want to fetch the time. Select the time of, take the same. I want to fetch the time now. Exactly. So it is fetching the time. Okay. Let's say suppose I want to find the difference. I want to find the difference between two dates. I want to find the difference between two dates. For example, there is a date 2023, 2024, Jan 12, and similarly 2024, Jan 15. I want to find the number of days between this. Exactly, there are three difference. So better to give biggest dates and the smallest dates. So it will be a correct answer. Which in date difference that is 3 days. 3 days. The difference between 15 and 12 is 3 days. So this is the date difference function. Okay. This is the date difference function. So these are different functions. We'll discuss some more data functions in next class. No need to worry. Okay. We'll discuss aggregate functions tomorrow because that's the important concept. We'll discuss these aggregate functions in depth because this is very important. So aggregate functions. Our next topic is aggregate functions. Aggregate functions. We're going to discuss tomorrow in detail. Do you understand this class or do you have any doubts? Monica, is it clear? Okay, right.